bacon and cheddar cheese stuffed burgers. Truly incredible. These are the ingredients: some ground beef, cheddar cheese, 6 slices of bacon, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and some nice brioche bun. I'm gonna chop my block in half into little squares, little cube size like this. Our 6 slices of cooked bacon, like little bite-sized pieces. In the bowl, we can add our ground beef, our salt, pepper, and garlic powder, chopped bacon and cheddar. Then you can just start mixing with your hands. Okay, once our meat is mixed, take a quarter of your meat, just form it into a nice round ball. I like to give it a little bit of firm pressure. Bacon and cheddar cheese stuffed burgers.